1st of June 2025, the afternoon of the culmination of 2.5 months old exhibition, Meadows of Lightscape by Mr. Madan Lal, I, Poonam Agarwal Thakur, is privileged to be your host for this unique and glamorous event where style is the language and innovation is the medium. Today, the runway shall soon become a portal where we journey together, exploring beautiful innovations, celebrating diverse aesthetics, and marveling at the sheer brilliance of our models and designers. Respected Directors of the Museum and Art Gallery, Madam Isha Kamboj, Chairman Lalit Kala Academy Chandigarh, Mr. Bhim Malhotra ji, Principal NIFT Dr. Simrita Singh, and a very special guest of the day, Madam Dr. Sucharita, Director, APJ College of Fine Arts, Jalandhar, Professor Saroj Rani, an expert of art history, aesthetics and folk studies, Madam Seema, Deputy Curator, Government Museum and Art Gallery, Chandigarh, Madam Megha Kulkarni, Curatorial Assistant, Madam Naseeb, HOD, Fashion Design Department and Coordinator of the event, and all the esteemed audience. डिज़ाइनर्स हर तरह की सामग्री से प्रेरणा लेते हैं और कभी कभी ये एक प्रसिद्ध कलाकृति भी हो सकती है, चाहे वह गुस्ताव क्लिम्स की ड्रेस पर दिखने वाले सिग्नेचर गोल्डन स्वर्ल हो या पैब्लो पिकासो की एसिमेट्रिकल ज्योमेट्री से प्रेरित जैकेट हो या हेनरी माटिस की रोमानियन ब्लाउज की बोल्ड पेंटिंग हो जो असली ब्लाउज में बदल जाती है। उच्च कला और उच्च फैशन के बीच की रेखा अक्सर धुंधली होती है। Ladies and gentlemen, everything from Renaissance art to modern art can be found stuttering down the catwalk but reimagined with needle and thread. A few people pass through the aesthetic experience of life and explore the most precious treasure of the Romania. Where does it exist? Does it really do? In the pearls of dewdrops, the torrent of rain, the eddies of the ocean, the whirling of the river, the waves of the canal, the rumbling of the clouds, the mountains of Himalayas, which are the homes of thousands of birds like parrots. Bull, the Vahana of Shiva, Hanuman, the doorkeeper of Shiva and Parvati, Lion, the king of jungle, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, feel honored to be a part of the extravaganza conceived and designed by the artist himself, Mr. Madan Lal, who understands that all the possibilities of existence, the creativity remain hidden in the field and they flourish as the rotating wheel of the time makes it possible for it to become predictable. As an artist who has a journey of multiple decades to his credit, extensive work in the studio, masterpieces that adorn the topmost galleries of the world, and a lucky few friends who can feel and experience his art in their living spaces. Mr. Madan Lal has always painted passionately. He is not scared of anyone and listens to his heart. He dares to pursue his dreams in art. His admirers have seen him pass through the creative process and reach the ultimate reality of life. His concept of beauty does not deal with the impulses, but with the universe realities. His characters are not the resident of the mundane world and their feet never touch the earth, but sprinkle their fragrance. The breeze on the face of the figures like that he paints and the glory on the breast of the damsel are like the sunlight of the morning. Damsel with silver limbs and ruby lips whisper the word of passion in the ears, but the hero does not forget the vision of reality. Mr. Madan Lal's art, ladies and gentlemen, is a perennial stream that flows out of his foundation of life. His artistic eye is fixed on beauty within. My dear friends, we at NIFT feel elated to share that Mr. Madan Lal started transferring his experiences on fabric during his association with NIFT at Mohali, where we worked together on a collection of orthotic aids in association with Taimur Orthotics. Then came Palettes to Plate in the year 2017, where a joint exhibition with an Israeli artist saw his work unfurl in the form of fabric, painted backdrop, beautifully carved upholstery and exquisite table linen. Further to the same, his artist friends saw a teaser to the conversion of his paintings on clothing during one of his exhibitions at Punjab Kala Bhavan and Lalit Kala Academy, New Delhi, where one of the associates adorned his creations. Perhaps his artistic eye on beauty captured another reality of his expression, which shall soon be showcased through beautiful and confident models of NIFT. My dear esteemed audience, dress has never been a straightforward business. On the subject of dress, almost no one, for one or another reason, feels truly indifferent if their own clothes don't concern them, someone else's do. Ladies and gentlemen, as we walk through this fusion of art and fashion, please experience the beauty, creativity, and imagination that defines the fashion industry. Let the colors, patterns, and silhouettes transport you to the world where art meets fashion and where possibilities are endless. Let's embark on the fashion journey together. Join your hands together for stunning models showcasing the beautiful intersection of two worlds, the vibrant creativity of contemporary art and the innovative spirit of fashion.
The collaboration between the Chandigarh Museum, artist Madan Lal and Northern Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, Mohali, marks a significant moment in the museum's evolving history. This ongoing exhibition, which has been on view for nearly 2.5 months, has drawn an enthusiastic response from visitors and collectors. Adding a new dimension to the show, the artist Madan Lal has reimagined his vibrant paintings through textile-based aesthetics, bringing his visual language into the realm of wearable art. In a unique gesture of creative synergy, NIIFT Mohali students have volunteered as models to showcase the artistic transformation on the runway, giving the artworks a dynamic new form of life and visibility. From 28th May to 30th May, the museum also hosted a remarkable display of the NIIFT's graduating batch coursework in our exhibition hall. This moment exemplifies the potential of interdisciplinary collaboration between institutions of art, design, and education. Such initiatives not only foster mutual learning, but also deepen public engagement and significantly broaden our outreach, attracting newer, younger and more diverse audiences to the museum. Our director is already in active discussions with NIFT principal to develop a special fashion collection inspired by the museum's own rich collection, bridging heritage with heritage contemporary expression. In addition, we are exploring the possibility of offering exclusive student designed souvenirs in the museum shop, a step that would not only support emerging talent but also enrich the visitors' experience. These collaborations reaffirm the museum's commitment to innovation, inclusivity and dialogue across all disciplines, making art more accessible, relevant and participatory. Thank you very much for joining us.
Good evening, everybody. I welcome all of you to this beautiful show by our students. It is so heartening to see art being transformed on fashion design. I think you all must have loved it, and I promise you to give you more such shows in the future. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. So, good evening is a very special event. Because today is a very special event. First of all, I congratulate our star of the day, Madan Lal ji, and the team of NIFT. And they are very dedicated team, and I congratulate with this wonderful performance. पहले तो this is the very good idea. First time I think in the museum this type of ambience has been created. So I congratulate Seema ji, Megha ji, and NIFT team for collaborating with Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, and also once again bundle of congratulations to the budding talented students who have done this wonderful performance. So thank you very much everyone.
मदन लाल आर्टिस्ट चंडीगढ़ से, और ये मेरा शो गवर्नमेंट म्यूज़ियम आर्ट गैलरी एंड चंडीगढ़ ललित कला अकेडमी की कोलैबोरेशन में 17 मार्च 2025 को ये ओपनिंग हुआ था। तो इस शो को नेचुरली तकरीबन अब 2 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं। तो ये इवेंट जो हमने निफ्ट के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ प्लान किया है या निफ्ट इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ प्लान किया है, ये मेरी एक ऑलरेडी कलेक्शन जो हमारी एक मेरी डॉक्टर पूनम अग्रवाल जी के साथ हमने एक टाइनोर की कलेक्शन की थी, एक और प्रोजेक्ट किया था इजराइल की आर्टिस्ट के साथ, और ये वाला जो हमारी ये ट्रांसफ़र की है पेंटिंग से क्लोथिंग में हमने ट्रांसफ़र किया है ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट। तो ये था कि इसको किस तरीके से इस इवेंट को इस शो गैलरी का हिस्सा बनाया जाए, ताकि ये मर्जर है, एक तरह से फ्यूज़न है, कि पेंटिंग का हिस्सा ही अपने ये गारमेंट्स हैं, एप्रल्स हैं, जो ड्रेसेस हैं, और जो इंस्पिरेशन है। मेन पर्पस था इस इवेंट का कि स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, निफ्ट के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इस इवेंट को कोलैबोरेट करने का, निफ्ट इंस्टीट्यूट, नॉर्दर्न इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ। इसका मेन पर्पस था कि लोगों तक एक जो मैसेज है, लोगों तक एक जो खूबसूरती है एक पेंटिंग्स की, एक गारमेंट की, और उसका एक फ्यूज़न है, वो लोगों तक पहुँचे। वो इंस्पिरेशन से स्टूडेंट्स ने वो क्लोथिंग अपने एज ए मॉडल यूज़ की, और आगे वो प्रिंटिंग जो मेरी है वो पेंटिंग से कन्वर्ट की क्लोथिंग में की है। तो मेन जो हमारा इस इवेंट का पर्पस लोगों को एक मर्जर देना था, एक खूबसूरत तरीका देना था किस तरीके से हम इस समाज को, इस सोसाइटी को, है ना, इस स्पेस को, म्यूज़ियम की स्पेस को, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा श्रेय इसमें म्यूज़ियम को दूंगा, कि म्यूज़ियम की इस खूबसूरत प्लेस को किस तरीके से पेंटिंग और फैशन वॉक के साथ एक हमने खूबसूरत एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट किया और जिसको शहर के बहुत सारे एमिनेंट आर्टिस्ट ने, बहुत सारे आर्ट लवर ने, बहुत सारे विजिटर ने एंजॉय किया। तो हम थैंक यू वेरी मच। म्यूजियम का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, ललित कला का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और निफ्ट मोहाली का, जिन्होंने इस कोलैबोरेशन में मेरे साथ पार्ट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I'm Principal NIFT Mohali, Jalandhar and Ludhiana, and today we had a beautiful event where we had an exhibition of paintings of Mr. Madan Lal, and after taking inspiration from his paintings, garments were made and were showcased by the students of NIFT Mohali in a runway and a fashion show. The show has been liked by all present here, and rather there is a demand to have more such shows. So I'm really happy and I congratulate Mr. Madan Lal, the Lalit Kala Academy of Chandigarh, and the students of NIFT, and most importantly the Government Museum and Art Gallery Sector 10 for giving us such a wonderful platform to showcase our talent. Thank you.
चंडीगढ़ ललित कला एकेडमी एंड गवर्नमेंट म्यूजियम एंड आर्ट गैलरी कोलैबोरेशन में आज से ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने पहले एक इवेंट स्टार्ट किया था, यूनिक एग्जीबिशन ऑफ मदन लाल जी, सिटी आर्टिस्ट। तो आज उसका कंक्लूडिंग डे था। जितनी सुंदर इसकी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी हुई थी, इतने सुंदर कामों के साथ उतनी ही सुंदर इसकी कंक्लूडिंग सेरेमनी हुई है। तो उसके लिए जो आइडिया था, जो फैशन शो का, जो मदन लाल जी के गारमेंट्स, जो उनके डिज़ाइन पेंटिंग्स के, उनके साथ आज जो फैशन शो हुआ, इट वाज रियली रिमार्केबल एंड यूनिक, एंड नॉट ओनली यूनिक, दिस आइडिया वाज वेरी excellent. And I think it is first time in Chandigarh, first time in Government Museum and Art Gallery, such type of beautiful presentation. So I congratulate the artist, the model जिन्होंने आज participate किया, और the museum staff and everyone who contributed in this beautiful venture. Thank you.
The Madan Lal's artworks took a very variable form, and something which I felt we were able to extend our reach to an audience which was so diverse. Unlike our other audience, which was conditioned to seeing exhibitions, this time we were able to really extend our reach and attract newer audiences, and not only have a very different kind of engagement, a very different kind of interactive with not just the people who were invited, even the people who were visiting the museum. So I do feel that we should have such collaborations, such more collaborations, where we are able to bring art, we are able to bring education, we are able to bring museum spaces all together for promotion of, eventually, yes, for the promotion of museum.